In this video, I'll show you how to add an all-in-one chat to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elfsight. Now that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the chat section, and down below you will find all-in-one chat. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says create a picture for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the corners of the window, we can also click on the expand arrows. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left hand side, we have about 4 options. On the contact section, this is where we can choose to add our contact, and to do that, simply scroll down here below and choose a contact that you want to add. Let's say you want to add a phone number, simply click on call, and in here, you can start adding your phone number. To add another contact, simply click on the add contact button, and in here, just add another contact of your choice, and let's say email, and in here, we can add our email address. Once you're done, simply click on the done at the right corner. Now what you can also do is on the right hand side, if you click on the 3 dots for actions, you'll be able to edit or delete. Now what you want to do is add more contacts if that is something they want to do. On the content section, this is where you can change your chat bubble, and if you click on the icon, you'll be able to choose from library or upload from computer. If you click on choose from library, you will have a selection of icons that you can choose from. And at the bottom, you can even add a bubble text. On the chat window, you can change the picture by clicking on the picture. And if you click on the replace button, you'll be able to upload file. And if you choose from library, you will have a selection of icons. Below, you can also add a custom name as well as a caption. And if you click on the caption for online, you can either choose online, one of the reply time, as well as a custom caption. Below, you can also change the welcome message and add a button title. On the settings section, this is where you can change the position of a widget, and if you click on position, you can change it from a floating bubble to an embed bubble or an embed chat window. On the appearance section, this is where you can change the font, the header background color, as well as the color of the user online status, chat wallpaper, message background, as well as the buttons. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. Once you've done that, from here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on copy code on the right hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio Website Designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio Website Designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between two sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed in Social, simply click on that one, and on Embed Code on the right-hand side, simply click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so anything that is in here, be sure to delete that. Once you've done that, press on Ctrl V to paste the code. And at the bottom, simply click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you've done that, you should be able to see your widget. And on the corners of the frame, you will see these circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. Now, what you want to do is place this in a specific section. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. From here, head over back to Wix. Now in here, you just want to click on the widget, and then click on Edit Code. From here, you just want to paste the code, so simply pressing Ctrl V. And under font family, this is where you can change it into the fonts into how you want it to be. Once you're done, simply click on Update here below so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have an all-in-one chat on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.